This actually is for your homework. Basically, you were asked to do the classification. Actually, this again is a multi-class classification problem. So basically, you're looking at the handwritten digit image, right, and trying to tell what the digit is actually, what the digit actually is, based on the given image, right? So you can take a look at the Python segments. And here, actually, one important thing is when you looking at the potential argument variables of scikit-learn support vector classifier, you can see there are many settings you need to put in, right? And you can always go to the menu of scikit-learn to understand what are those hyperparameters and then how you typically should set up those hyperparameters to make sure you get the reasonable prediction performances. Okay, so that's all about support vector machine.